All rise, all rise. This is the case of Small versus Johnson. Olivia Small versus Ronald Johnson. Docket number 1399488. Welcome to Random Judge. Both parties have agreed to appear in front of a surprise random judge. It's to your understanding that you don't know who your judge is going to be. What celebrity is going to come from behind those doors out of the judge's chamber? Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, here is your random judge. Hi, welcome to Random Judge, and I'm your celebrity judge, Nicki Minaj. Your Barbie judge, Random Judge, baby. Okay, guys, so I'm Nicki Minaj, your random judge. Surprise. Now, this is docket 1399488. Small versus Johnson. Olivia Small versus Ronald Johnson. So, Miss Small, you are alleging that your roommate, Ronald Johnson, dog, destroyed your living room corner chair valued at $859. Correct? Your Honor, I need to talk to you first before we go any further. I need to say something. First of all, Your Honor, Mr. Johnson, order in the court, please. I will address you in due time. Right now, I'm asking Miss Small, Miss Olivia Small, about why she's bringing legal actions towards you. Do not interrupt anymore, or I will fine you in contempt. Order sustained. Back to you, Miss Small. Is this correct? Yes, Your Honor. So, Mr. Johnson is my roommate. And I had rent him a room in my apartment. All right. He has a dog, and I allowed his pet, to come and stay with us. When he moved in, he moved his pet in, and I had no problems with that. He did say that the pet was well trained, and I had no problems with him having a dog. It's security, and he did say the pet was trained, so I wasn't expecting this. So his dog had destroyed one of my corner chairs, for the living room. And I just purchased this chair, Your Honor. I'm so honored to have you as my judge, Miss Nicki Minaj. I'm so honored, by the way, and I am your biggest fan, okay? I have all your records, and I am a devoted fan. So, back to this case. So, Your Honor, um, he has a brown, black, and white beetle dog, beetle hound dog, and I just bought this chair in November of last year. So it's a fairly new chair, Your Honor. And Mr. Johnson, my roommate, he did accept that his dog caused the damages to my chair. I took a photo, Your Honor. When I came home, I caught the dog right there in the chair on the scene of the crime itself. The dog was right there standing in the chair while he was tearing the chair up. And what brought us to random judge today, Your Honor, Nicki Minaj, is that I just paid $859 for this chair in November, and he's offering me $400 for my chair. I don't think that's fair to me because I work so hard for what I want, and I paid in full for my chair. And he did sign an agreement that any damages that his dog caused, or anything, any kind of damages that he caused, that, I would either take it out the deposit when he moved out, or he'll pay ahead of time or pay up front for the damages that had happened. Okay, is this true, Mr. Johnson? Uh, did you sign any kind of agreements with Miss Small, agreeing to pay for any damages if your dog caused any damages, or if any kind of damages occurred during the time that you live with Miss Small? Please answer that question. And after that, please explain to me what exactly happened. Yes, Your Honor. So, uh, when I moved into the apartment with Miss Small, she was aware that I had a dog. I also told her that my dog was well trained and that um, that if anything happens, for example, if there was any kind of damage that occurred due to the fault of my dog to the apartment, that I would be fully responsible. I also gave her an extra deposit just in case that did happen. So it's covered. So for her to charge me $859 for this sofa, this chair, this corner chair, when I told her that I was going to give her about $400, $400 to cover the cost because it's not a brand new chair. She just got it in November. So there is depreciation as far as the value of the chair is concerned. So, Your Honor, Your Honorable Nicki Minaj, I'm one of your biggest fan, by the way. I would appreciate if you please try to mediate and not charge me for the entire amount of the chair and help and understand that all I can afford is about $300 to $400 for the damages. Okay, Miss Small, do you have any photographs of the dog? You said you had photographs of the dog. You have photograph of the actual dog, wild dog, in the commission of the destruction of your chair. Can you please produce these, if you don't mind? Yes, Your Honor. I actually have a few photos, including a photo of his dog while his dog was on my chair tearing it up. His dog's name is Max, by the way. His name is Max. And usually Max is a very good dog. He's a good puppy, but I don't know. That day, I guess he didn't feed him. I don't know what the cause of this was, but it so happens that he just tore up my chair. And I just need him to step up to the plate and replace my chair. Thank you, Your Honor. So I have the photos here. Let me show you. First of all, Your Honor, this is his dog. Okay? And this picture, Your Honor, shows his dog on my chair, tearing my chair to pieces. See, it's the same dog. See that, right, Your Honor? And Your Honor, this is the invoice, the receipt for the chair that I bought at City Furniture, where it says at the very bottom, it says $859 for this chair, Your Honor, from City Furniture. Okay? Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Johnson, is this dog in the photos yours? And is this chair the chair in question that was damaged by your dog? Yes, Your Honor, that's my dog. That's the chair, Your Honor. But I told her that I could just give her about $300, $400, $300, $400 for the damage because it's not a brand new chair, Your Honor. So that's all I can afford, Your Honor. And she wanted to be difficult. And I also gave her a deposit for any damages that the dog might cause to the apartment, Your Honor. I understand perfectly well, Mr. Johnson. However, I'm looking at these receipts and it's fairly brand new. It's a fairly brand new chair. And looking at the dog, I see the dog here in a previous photo. And also the dog on the actual chair as the dog is destroying the chair. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to award her the entire $859, the cost of the actual chair. I'm trying to work with everybody here. So what I'm going to do is rule in favor of the plaintiff. Please pay the plaintiff the amount of $750. All right? So, judgment to the plaintiff, the amount of $750. Court adjourned. Thank you so much, Your Honor. Oh my God. You know, he is not such a bad roommate, but since this episode with his dog, you know, he is just showing this other side to him, Your Honor, and I just can't wait for this lease to be over. You know, I thought the dog was well trained, but I guess I was wrong. You know, thank you so much, Your Honor. $750, you know, will do for now. It's okay. $750, and I'm so grateful. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Your Honor, I don't see how $750. That's a lot of money, Your Honor. That's a lot of money. I mean, God damn. That's too much. Oh my God. Your Honor, you couldn't just go down a little bit on that? Oh my God. It is what it is. I'll pay it, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Court adjourned. And thank you for watching Random Judge, where you'll never know who your judge is going to be. Surprise!